Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to use Strava offline. You can use Strava offline to record and track your activities without needing an internet connection. Strava relies solely on GPS to log your route, distance, pace, and other details. Once you're back online, all your data will automatically sync. Even if you start your activity in airplane mode with GPS enabled, Strava will accurately record your session. You can also view maps and routes offline, but make sure to download them in advance while you still have an internet connection. Once downloaded, Strava will display the map segments even when you're out in the field. For the best experience, download your maps and routes before heading out. Use airplane mode to stay fully offline if needed. This prevents any partial connectivity issues. After finishing your activity, open the Strava app when you're back online to sync your data. Sometimes the app doesn't sync automatically in the background, so this step is important. These tips ensure you can make the most of Strava even when offline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.